today's task is to box the gas cylinder in. The regulator's now fixed, and as you saw in a previous video, and that's where it's going to go. So we're looking at putting a frame up to the roof. It might be bigger than we need, but it'll at least give us some moving space. And then come out, and a door on the inside so we can get at it, and let's see where we get to. One slight snag is trying to fix a batten to this wall bulkhead here. Found that behind it is a big metal steel plate. That's obviously where the seat was fixed originally. So we've drilled. We're going to have to tap the steel frame to take the screws or bolts to hold that in. We've got the frame already sorted out for this side, so it's just a matter of putting a bit of ply down this wall here, a door on this side, and a wall down that side. Oops. Right, well, that's the metal frame tapped and the wood batten bolted in. We've got this to the side of the front end of the frame fastened in. So again, it's now we can start seeing where we're going with this. Let's give us quite a bit of room to put a door on. That's really because of this batten under the bed here. We wanted to use that as this support. So it's going to be quite a large locker, but hey, there's no problem with that. The frame's in, all solid. Come back a bit so you can actually see. So there it is. We've just got to cut some wood, so ply. In fact, I think we're using this, the wood that we did start off using for the worktop as the cupboard. The door is going to be on the inside and come out, just to make it easy. So I don't know whether you can see this, but what problem we're having is this contour over the wheel arch, and getting this piece to fit. It's just been a bit of an awkward thing to do, just getting the profile right, and getting just to fit, and working underneath the bed. We haven't got an awful lot of room. The cupboard's all sorted. We've got a little bit of the top here to finish it off. The cabinet has got a lip, so any gas that escapes will disappear and be contained within the unit. All the sides are on, and we have a door which fits nice and snugly. So that's our gas cabinet. So we just need to sort out fixing, and we're all good to go. Well, we've finally got the cupboard sorted, the doors on, the hinges all connected up inside, the regulator all through. A bit of a pain getting the filler in because the wood's thicker than the metal bracket that they supplied, but Carol takes it off. There we are. So it's all nice and sound. Everything's connected up. Pipe work through to the kitchen. Oops, to the cooker. And we're ready. There's our cabinet for the gas bottle.